local lover, and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are at the Pasifika Festival in Shepparton. So this is the 5th year of the Pasifika Festival. We were very blessed to go to their first ever festival, and we are very blessed to be able to attend and perform at the 5th anniversary of the Pasifika Festival here in Shepparton. So we came in the afternoon. We missed a bit of the earlier performances and activities. So as we arrived, we had some Tongan cultural dances. Then we walked around because we were starving. We had just driven 2 hours from Melbourne to Shepparton, and so we looked around, had a look at what was available, and there was such amazing stalls out there. Lots of food, lots of things to purchase, and just a great atmosphere. The space was beautiful. There was so much room to eat away from the actual the performances, so you had spaces to eat while you could hear the performances, but you also had the clarity of not having the music right in your face. The crowd was amazing. As you can see here, the DJ was going off. They were great, and the crowd were just as wonderful. So the atmosphere at Pasifika Festival was amazing, and I loved seeing all of our people and other community members come to join in and learn about Pacific cultures, Pacific food, and interact with Pacific people and the different businesses. So I sat down and ate my food. It was absolutely delicious. Taro and palusami. I was too late for the pea soup, but it was
so far. Gula isa sol ya kumali mafali upan. Wah, lawak pada ngai kau kerakar yang nak kau. Apa dia ada tua? Pantai laut Pulauan Day. Wakili tamu muda soy. Kalau aku painai, macam lain Pak Boy Samoa. Ai mais se foi do Pasifika atoa. Pada matung talo. Jangan lay lau fio. Wasa mapele. Masani ya Samoa ya natuma manala. Aus wiele no pisau. Muai tai dei pola tamari. Abato lang to. Foto se tupu se tamari. Pape na pa yang apa Samoa. Ana manalo tayo sa tawon mo. Ya tawon mo sa ano se tupu se tamari. Ay bawal bela mo tawon mo sa Samoa na so. Awa usul ngapa Samoa yung ngapa tupu. Paula matutano na tua. Ya sangat paalo may bel ang bafa. Daya tamu ay si uya pa mo. Ay po yat mo di inga na ufio. Soy po ya manuya. Correu. Give it a phone and come on. But somebody they all want to have us. I phone and come along on the pipe. So I phone. Give them weird.
So for those of you who don't know, this group is Know Your Roots. Know Your Roots are an initiative in Shepparton area where they go into schools and they teach the children Pacific cultures. I believe it's just Pacific cultures, but I could be wrong. So there were Tongan, there was Maori, and there's Samoan. And they learn all about their cultures while attending Know Your Roots. So make sure to like and subscribe or check out Know Your Roots on social media.
Tôi của vậy đâu phải miệng à, đi vậy? À sao vậy? À đúng vậy mà quay đuôi. Đi xe đâu lá mà đi. À, đi đi lại gì à? Càng có phi vậy? Thì cái số oi luôn ngã, oi mà ai vậy miệng ăn cũng phải giặt quần. Hey hey! Hey hey! Đâu lá mà? Hey hey! Ai à?
Sangi by the buffalo! Sangi by the tiger! Lompat by the shotgun!
Tuan nga lo ah!
Lauri!
Sao nhẹ đuôi, sao nhẹ đuôi. Yup, yup.
Anda!
Yup. Ata yai. Ata lại phát sang ở bên camera nhà ơi. Đuôi. Say, ata numa. Pe ai numa. Quậy đứa con bốp bụng. Thì lô quay mặt cô quay mê liêu liêu ở bốp bốp mặt cài bốp bụng. Quậy ca lại vậy. Pilih lah ya, pilih. Alu lah ya, bau mak. Apa ya?
verse. Sing along. And I'm wondering, oh, sweet darling, please tell me, what did I do to deserve you? What did I say to make you make the eyes of my head? If only I had a love, I'd give it all to you, babe. You go. Now I'm about to leave for the road. In her chest, all them other girls no interact. Boy, you left me lonely, baby. Losing me control and me caught up in a mess. Why a million tears fill up the river Jordan? What good is me heart if me left it broken? Lost me no direction and barely coping. Just dreaming of your own thing, me arms my son gang. You hear me say, it's a bit too late to say I'm sorry. It's a bit too late to say I was wrong. It was meant to be the end of our story, but these feelings, girl, they just too strong. All the wrong that I've put you through, along with all the pain, has come along the foolish side, and me wanna look. And honestly, you're making it hard for me to up and leave. How many chances are you willing to give and take? Girl, it's never the right time to let go. And honestly,
hard for me to walk and leave. How many chances are you willing to give and take? It's never the right time to let go. We're gonna go straight into this next one. This next one is one called Rush. It's one of my newer ones, so you guys are getting an exclusive listen. Yeah. It goes exactly like this. A little bit of reggae. Up in the early morning, we work till the sun goes down. All through the week I'm gone, stripping the work for y'all. Said that I care and provide for you, so I'm needing you to know. For that I'm needed on the road. So sorry I'm never home. I'm always in a rush, my darling. Always in a rush, my lady. I know at times it's tough, my darling, but I'm doing this for us, my lady. I'm always in a rush, my darling. Always in a rush, my aggravated. I see the way that they fold, the envelope and show a life that's fabricated. Mad, agitated, I've been wanting vengeance. They all pretentious, the wolves, those ways are all relentless. The life you fantasize, it just ain't what you need. But who am I to speak if you just do what you please? Two ears, one mouth, bro, you do the man. And if you talk that talk, it means nothing if you ain't move a hand. And to enhance the foundation of your rhyme, better spit up at the flow. Position is like crime, cause that moves up. Move boys, the whole demeanor. They can't catch the dirt, the pockets getting fat checks, now the pockets on the ride. Big ass ticks, jobs done, no surprise. Cheap tactics, still fall, they wonder why. I guess they dyslexic every. Here's a better take on a fool's mistake. It's best to wait. Focus on getting food on your plate for the meantime. Shine might drop you in a decline. Ring bell like brother, it'll and Lord knows my people wanna free themselves. See money in the trap, trying to free the wealth. Let the rest be the rest. Keep with your intellect, it's no affair. Go collect another. Taking it to the death, my friend. Baby, till the sun goes down, you're coming around. So hey, baby, lay it on down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, give that guy the mic. Shout out to my Oli, yeah. Anyone in my Oli, yeah? This is like the challenge, yeah? Yeah. Oh no, that's right. What I mean, I'm coming in the bitch show, but I just be doing my thing. It seems they ain't giving you enough love and babe, like I'm certain I can. Whatever you want, whatever you need, girl, you pick the whip and I get the keys. If he ain't it, then baby say you girl, there's enough space for him in the street, yeah. Let's just lose it, get lost in the illusion. No more boozing, all I'm wanting is you, yeah. Let's find our way, come and wash away all my pain and be my happiness, yeah. Money in my that's my life, baby. Run around back my leader, run with me, my soul. Run around back my leader, let me sit away. I'm pressing all the way. Run away with my tail, my lady. Alright, if you've seen this really tiny movie, what's the name? God, you guys are so smart. 10 points. You might have seen this movie, you might have heard the song in there. I know you know it, so we're all gonna sing it together, yeah? Shepperton, that's how you make some noise. Let's play the next track, please, Oz. Let's go. Say fight, set don't sleep the same, I got shit running through my mind. Just let me put some loving on you. Just let me put some loving on you. Where's that story? Say that, won't you see what's in your mind? See what's in your mind.
So good here, celebrating Pasifika culture, you know. Put your hands up. I just want. With aunties and uncles, I know you're nervous. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, it's hard. When you're in love with a beautiful woman, you know it's hard. Yes, it is. Everybody loves her. Everybody loves her. Everybody wants to take your baby home. Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above. So auntie at the back, come on, I can't hear ya. I can hear the music playing. Oh yeah. I can feel your body swaying. When I'm left alone, you don't even know me. I love you guys. Oh my darling, not 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Oh, twice on the wall. If the answer is no, Siva, means you meet me in the hallway. Oh, twice on the night means you ain't gonna show. Of course, all those Samoans are singing along. It's an honor for Be a susulu be olela emalingi be no imasa. Be a susulu be olela You guys heard it first. Do you like it? Straight up. Got in trouble. Stuck on the couch. I should've known better, baby. The time I leave out, see my watch that time. It was 1, 2, 3, then 5. Should've known better, baby. I know you've been waiting for me late at night, at home, in a bed without me on the road. Ooh, baby, I promise you would run away. Straight up. Just wait for me, so patiently. Forgive me, baby, I'm just trying to have a good time. Cause I know my girls don't know that I'm outside my head. Make some noise for Stanley T. Forgive me, baby, I'm just trying to have a good time. Cause I know my girls don't know that I'm outside my head. Stanley T, everybody.
Yeah, sorry, darling, baby, me come right away. Any second I'll be there, I know you're right away. Go, baby, girl, it's cold outside. You promise I can make it right. Hey, baby, I could need you, squeeze you, girl. Remind you just how much I need you. Yeah. Answer them calls up on your phone. Say, forgive me. Say, baby, I'm just everybody. Make some noise for the West. Come and join me. Baby, I'm just trying to have a good time. Please don't get my kids, don't know that I'm outside my head. Come and join me. We're right, we made it through the night. It's been a long day. Suddenly I'm straight to exit all the way from Measina.
Look after yourself, drink water, get home safely, look after your